Hey there! Tired of spending a fortune on store-bought gelato? Today, I'll show you how to make the creamiest, most luxurious pistachio gelato right in your kitchen. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll never go back to the regular stuff. All ingredients are listed in the description below. Let's make some magic happen. All right, let's dive right into making this delicious pistachio gelato. First things first, we need to blanch and skin our pistachios. This step is crucial for achieving that vibrant green color and smooth texture in our gelato. Start by placing your shelled pistachios in a bowl with cold water and let them sit for about 5 minutes. Then, cover them with boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. This will loosen the skins, making them easier to peel off. After that, rinse them with cold water and gently peel the skins off. It might take a little patience, but trust me, it's worth it for that beautiful color and smoothness. Next, we're going to blend those pistachios into a smooth paste. Pop them into a food processor and blend for about 4 minutes until they're smooth and slightly oily. You'll notice the aroma of the pistachios really coming through at this point. Now, add in some powdered sugar and process until everything is well combined. While the processor is running, drizzle in a bit of extra virgin olive oil. This will help achieve that silky texture we're aiming for. Keep blending until it's all smooth and creamy.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The blender I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Now, let's move on to the milk. Pour 2 cups of whole milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium-high heat. Stir it often to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. We want to bring it to a simmer, but be careful not to let it boil. This step is all about infusing the milk with a gentle heat, which will help it blend seamlessly with the other ingredients later on. While the milk is heating, dissolve 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch in a 1/4 cup of milk until it's smooth. This is going to be our thickening agent. Once your milk is simmering, lower the heat and whisk in the cornstarch milk mixture. Stir constantly as you do this to avoid any lumps. Let it simmer until it reaches a thin custard consistency or coats the back of a spoon, which should take about 6 minutes. Then, remove it from the heat and cool it down quickly using an ice bath. This will stop the cooking process and help maintain that perfect texture. With our milk mixture cooled, it's time to whisk in the sugar, any remaining milk you have, a pinch of salt, and a bit of pistachio extract for that extra nutty flavor. Stir in the heavy cream, and, if you have it, the pistachio paste we made earlier. This is where all those flavors start to come together, creating a rich and creamy base for our gelato. Now, we need to chill this mixture thoroughly. You can pop it in the refrigerator for several hours, or even overnight, if you have the time. If you're in a hurry, an ice bath can speed up the process. Chilling is key to ensuring our gelato churns up nice and smooth. Once your mixture is chilled, follow your ice cream maker's instructions to freeze it. If you like a bit of texture, you can add some coarsely ground pistachios when the gelato starts to set. This adds a delightful crunch and enhances the pistachio flavor even more. Finally, if you're using an ice cream maker, churn the mixture until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze until it's firm. If you don't have an ice cream maker, no worries. Just pour the mixture into a container and place it in the freezer. Every 30 minutes, break up the frozen surface and whisk it until smooth. Keep doing this until it's fully frozen. And there you have it. Your homemade pistachio gelato is ready to enjoy.